If you've lived in your Conway home for years, your windows may not be something you think about often. But old, outdated windows can quietly impact your comfort, energy bills, and even your home's appearance. Knowing the signs that it's time to replace them, especially with modern vinyl windows, can save you money and improve your daily living experience. Here are the key signs that your old windows may be ready for an upgrade. Your energy bills keep climbing. One of the most common signs that your windows need replacing is rising heating and cooling costs. In Conway, where summers can be hot and humid and winters bring chilly temperatures, your windows play a major role in regulating indoor comfort. Older windows often have poor insulation, single-pane glass, or worn-out seals. This allows air to escape in the winter and enter in the summer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Vinyl windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Many feature multi-pane glass, insulated frames, and tight seals that help maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduce strain on your heating and cooling systems. If your energy bills seem unusually high compared to similar homes, your windows could be a major reason why. You feel drafts near the windows. Have you ever walked past a window and felt a sudden chill in the winter or warm air in the summer? Drafts are a clear sign that your windows are no longer sealing properly. Over time, frames can warp, and seals can crack or deteriorate. Even small gaps can let outside air in and conditioned air out. Vinyl windows are known for their tight construction and resistance to warping, which makes them especially effective at preventing drafts. If you find yourself avoiding certain rooms because they're uncomfortable near the windows, it may be time for a replacement. Your windows are hard to open or close. Windows should open and close smoothly. If yours stick, jam, or refuse to stay open, that's more than just an inconvenience, it's a sign of aging or structural issues. Wooden frames can swell from moisture or rot over time. Hardware can corrode, and frames can shift. Vinyl windows resist moisture damage and don't swell or rot, making them much easier to maintain and operate. Replacing difficult windows improves not only convenience but also safety, since properly functioning windows are essential in case of emergencies. You notice condensation between the glass. Condensation on the inside of your home can sometimes be normal, especially during temperature changes. But if you see fog or moisture trapped between the panes of glass, that usually means the seal has failed. When the seal breaks, insulating gas escapes and moisture enters, reducing the window's energy efficiency. At that point, the window is no longer performing as intended. Modern vinyl windows are built with advanced sealing technology that helps prevent this issue and maintains better long-term performance. Outside noise is too noticeable. If you can clearly hear traffic, neighbors, or other outside sounds even when your windows are closed, your current windows may not be providing adequate sound insulation. Vinyl windows with double or triple pane glass can significantly reduce noise, making your home feel quieter and more peaceful. For homeowners in busy areas of Conway, this upgrade can make a noticeable difference in daily comfort. Your windows look worn or outdated. Curb appeal matters, whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enjoy the look of your home. Faded frames, peeling paint, or outdated designs can make your entire home appear older. Vinyl windows offer a clean, modern look and come in a variety of styles and colors to complement your home's design. Unlike wood, vinyl doesn't require painting or staining, which saves you time and ongoing maintenance costs. You're spending too much on maintenance if you're constantly repainting, sealing, or repairing your windows. The long-term cost can add up quickly. Vinyl windows are low maintenance and resistant to moisture, pests, and rot. A simple cleaning is usually all they need to stay looking great. Making the smart move, replacing old windows with vinyl, is an investment in your home's comfort, efficiency, and value. If you've noticed rising energy bills, drafts, condensation, or operational problems, it may be time to consider an upgrade. For homeowners in Conway, vinyl windows offer durability, energy savings, and lasting performance. helping you enjoy a more comfortable home year-round while boosting curb appeal and reducing maintenance headaches.